Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to the Al-Mansur Darun Najah 3 podcast. I'm your host, Faida Afiana, and today we are diving into a fascinating topic that's shaping the world we live in. Western culture and its influence. And today, joining me is the insightful Farah Amelia who's here to share her time. Hi Farah.
Hi sister, thanks for having me and I'm so excited to discuss this topic with you.
Okay, let's start with the basic. Farah, in your words, what is Western culture?
Western culture refers to the lifestyle, value, and norm primarily originating from Western countries like United States and Europe. It's often associated with individualism and the freedom of expressions.
That's a great explanation. Now, why do you think Western culture has become so influential worldwide?
Several factors contribute to this, like the rapid development of technology and information has made Western media and Western trends more accessible. Second, consumer behaviors often leans toward Western product and lifestyle. Social media amplifies this by showcasing Western trends, and there's also a general desire to emulate the perceived sophistication of the West.
That's true. Social media plays a hard role, but as with everything, there are two sides to the coin. What do you think about the positive impacts of Western culture?
Western culture brought so many positive changes, such as improving quality of life, promoting gender equality, and encouraging learning and tolerance. For example, the emphasis on innovation and education has inspired many to pursue higher standards in their personal lives.
Okay, those are definitely commendable aspects, but what about the negatives one?
On the flip side, there is a risk of losing cultural identity, like increased individualism and exposure to behavior that might not align with traditional values, like promiscuity or excessive consumerism.
That's a valid concern. Can you share some examples of how Western culture has influenced our daily lives?
Sure, clothing style like mini dress and pursuing, lifestyle like clubbing and eating the junk food, and even the widespread use of gadgets and makeup are all of the examples. These changes are everywhere, from the way we socialize, present ourselves.
It's clear that Western culture has deeply influenced us. But here's the big question. How we can balance embracing globalization while preserving our local culture?
The key is cultural filtering. We should adopt the positive aspect of Western culture while staying true to our roots. This means promoting local traditions, arts, and values alongside modern influences.
I couldn't agree more. Before we wrap up, let's share some interesting facts about Western culture. Fact 1. Did you know the Renaissance? A pivotal movement in Western history originates in Italy in the 14th century. It laid the foundation for modern science, art, and literature. Fact 2. The Western concept of democracy traces back to ancient Greece, specifically Athens, where citizens vote on laws directly. And fact 3. Hollywood, a symbol of Western culture, produces over 600 movies annually, influencing global fashion, language, and lifestyle.
Wow, these are fascinating. It's amazing to see how deep and far-reaching Western culture's influence is.
Okay, that's true. Well guys, that's all for today's episode, and thank you Farah for joining me and sharing your insight.
Thank you sister, that's been my pleasure.
And thank you listeners for tuning in. Remember, embracing diversity doesn't mean losing identity. Stay proud of your culture while learning from others. Until next time, take care.